Hi there, this is your teacher speaking. I'm Christian and welcome again to another class of um, numbers, reading and writing numbers. I'm going to share my screen. Good afternoon, I'm sorry. And I'm sorry if there's some noise. You know, people doing their chores, right? um, Give me a second. And today we're learning reading and writing numbers. Welcome to UTR, Centro de Idiomas, Universidad Tecnológica El Retorno. Okay, so let's start. Reading and writing numbers. Numbers can be written in two ways. Okay, figures or words. Figures use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and may use and, right? Examples include 34, 1063, 0.75, or minus 25, right? Hope you can see. Words use letters and usually take longer to write. Yeah, they are boring, but we need them, okay? Examples include 12, 17, 1 million, 1, 17, 1, I'm sorry. Okay, so we are going to learn how to read and write numbers. Figures are made up of digits like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and are usually easy to write, but can be tricky to say or write in words. In order to put the figures into words, we must try to imagine that the number is in a place value table like this one. Okay? So as you can see, we have the hundreds, we have the tens, and we have the units. Okay? Units. Okay? So the number 147 will be written in this way. Unit 7, tens 4, and hundred 1. So it will be read like this. 147. And the number 409 will be written in this way. 409. So listen carefully. 147. Right here in this example, we use a 0 as a connector and we change it to 0 for and. We don't mention the 0, so it will be 409. Right? In order to say numbers, we need to follow a few simple rules. If you remember how to write 1 to 20 in words, most of the rest of the numbers are easy. So you might want to repeat after me. The first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In order to say our numbers, we need to follow a few simple rules. Other words you will need to know are 30, not 3T, okay? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or 200, or 300, okay? 1,000, it would be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, okay? Okay, in order to say our numbers, we need to follow a few simple rules. All two-digit numbers higher than 20 have a hyphen in between them, unless they end with a 0. Okay, so this is a hyphen. This is a hyphen. So 45 would be written 40 hyphen 5. We don't mention hyphen, but we write it. Okay, 71, 70 hyphen 1 when we write it with letters. Watch out for 5-digit numbers. In this case, it will be 54. 54 has a hyphen in the middle. 54. Okay, 1,800. Oh, I'm sorry, 875. 75 has a hyphen in the middle, right? Okay. In order to say our numbers, we need to follow a simple rules. If the column has a 0 in it, you don't need to say anything for that column. Okay. For instance, you say 500. Okay. In this case, you would say 603, 2007. Okay. Going back to our table, we can use our rules to name these numbers. Okay. So we have 7, 40, and 100. So it will be 147. 140 hyphen, don't forget the hyphens, 7. In this case, the 0 turned into an end. So it will be 409. Okay. Have a think about how to write the following numbers. So the first one would be, you can say it, 117, right? 591, 4,921, 4,921. How about this number? How would you attempt to do this one? So that will be 23,580. Okay. So if we have our table, we have the units, tens, hundreds, unit of thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and a million. In this case, would be 23,580. 23,000. Okay. So you see we have 2,000s. Don't say 2,000 and 3,000. No, you say 23,000, right? So our number is 23,580. Okay. So can you try this number? So there will be 3,605,029. So it will be 3,605,029 or 251,856. So you are going to do these numbers in your Word documents. I'm not going to tell you the answers for this one. This is your assignment. Okay, you are going to do it. Okay, and remember, when we say numbers can be written in two ways, so figures or words, you can now convert figures into words. Okay. A common task questions. Let's see. And just don't forget. Okay. Don't forget, if we have thousand, 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 we only convert 17,000. Okay? In this case, we only mention 1,000 and we only mention 100. Okay? Just don't forget. In this case, it will be 17,003. We don't mention 100. Okay? Do you see? 17,003. Okay? Minus sometimes comes before a number. If there's a decimal point, we don't use tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. to say the numbers after the point. We just list the digits. Example would be 17.456, not 17.456. And that's it. Thank you for watching.